Okay, let's take a tour of the hotel room. That's Jessica sitting and watching pyramids. Noose? No, you're not watching Noose. You're watching Pyramid.
You're a pyramid.
No, I'm not. Okay. So, and then we have over here. How do you turn this light on? Oh, there you go. That's a desk. It's amazing. Then we have a little mini coffee pot. Oh. Little mini coffee. To make a little mini coffee. Oh yeah. People are nuts upstairs. We have a fridge with 1 Arizona iced tea in it.
Making love in the hotel since 7 o'clock p.m. when we were watching Transformers.
That's the picture.
We're gonna go. Give me a stick. I'm gonna jump.
It's a chair. We should do that. And then that's
If I'm
another picture.
sleeping and these people are getting their freak on, I'll be hella pissed.
I don't think that's what they were doing. I think there's just like people jumping up there. Like we were jumping on the beds before, kind of like that. This is the door that leads to another room that we don't go in. We're here. It's our little bathroom area. What? I don't even want to know what you just said. This is a hair dryer. Towels, an ironing board, a thing, hangers, a really heavy door to the bathroom, the light to the bathroom, a really large toilet seat, another picture, toilet paper, a shower. It's fascinating. Right, Jess? How heavy is this door?
I put this on my eyelash.
How heavy is the door in the bathroom?
This on nail polish. Sparkly dust. Pass.
Retarded.
No, look. The people are definitely getting a groove on. Look. Yeah, look.
No.
Look.
Oh no.
You hear nothing.
No.
So I was thinking like.
There's people right there. Oh my god.
What?
This is horrible. No, but see if you jump and jump. Oh yeah. That's true because there's carpet. You can't hear when they jump. But we're not upstairs.
But they could be laying
We're on the first
down,
floor.
and she's probably holding on like so.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
So anyway, on that note.